Most people fail at off-grid solar for one specific reason. They start without a clear goal. They buy panels, they buy batteries. Nothing works together. Money wasted, frustration guaranteed. But this is completely fixable. PortablePowerLife exists to solve exactly this problem. Their solar hub gives you a simple, proven sequence. Decide what you need, choose the right option, test small, then scale up. No guesswork, no expensive mistakes, just results. Every step is laid out clearly, so even first-timers get it right. Here is the painful truth. Most off-grid solar buyers pick the wrong system size. They underestimate their power needs. They buy cheap panels that cannot charge fast enough, or they buy oversized stations they never fully use. Some people wire panels incorrectly and damage expensive equipment on day one. Others simply give up after one bad experience. These are not rare problems. They are the standard experience for beginners who start without a structured plan. Every single one of these mistakes is avoidable. Sound familiar? PortablePowerLife built a complete off-grid solar hub designed to eliminate these problems entirely. The approach is refreshingly simple. Step 1, set one clear goal. Step 2, choose the safest, easiest option that fits that goal. Step 3, test it on a small scale first. Step 4, improve from there. No overwhelm, no expensive trial and error. Every guide on the site follows this exact sequence. It works for camping, emergencies, RVs, and full off-grid living. You stop guessing and start building a setup that actually performs. Let's talk about the flagship portable power station featured on PortablePowerLife. This unit carries a 1070 watt-hours Life PO4 battery, one of the safest battery chemistries available today. It delivers 1500 watts of AC output and 100 watts USB-C for fast device charging. The standout feature, it charges from 0% to 100% in just 1 hour. That is extraordinary for a unit this size. For camping, emergencies, RV trips, or off-grid living, this station covers almost any real-world scenario. Life PO4 chemistry also means thousands of charge cycles and long-term reliability you can count on. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is pairing the wrong solar panels with their power station. PortablePowerLife's guides walk you through matching panel wattage to your battery capacity precisely. More watts means faster recharging from sunlight. Fewer watts means longer wait times, or a dead battery by nightfall. Their quick pick section gives you 3 strong starting options matched to real goals. Whether you need panels for van life, a weekend campsite, or emergency backup, there is a clear, matched recommendation ready. No more guessing which panels actually work. PortablePowerLife covers the 4 most common off-grid use cases: camping, emergencies, RV living, and permanent off-grid setups. Each use case has different power demands. A weekend camper needs maybe 300 watt-hours to 500 watt-hours. A full off-grid cabin needs 1,000 watt-hours or more per day consistently. The site's latest guide section breaks down each scenario with specific, actionable steps you can follow immediately. Their pro tip section helps you avoid the top configuration mistakes. The key terms section demystifies solar jargon so you actually understand what you are buying before you spend $1. The Choose Your Next Step section on PortablePowerLife is one of the most practical tools on the entire site. It works like a decision tree. You answer simple questions about your goal and budget, and it points you directly to the right guide. No more paralysis from too many choices. The quick checklist helps you confirm you have not missed anything critical before you spend $1. Common mistakes to avoid gives you a shortcut past the 6 most expensive beginner errors. This is structured guidance that saves you real money from day one. What makes PortablePowerLife different is their commitment to honest, unbiased guidance backed by real testing. Their How We Choose and Recommend section explains their full evaluation process in plain language. They test for real-world performance, not just spec sheet numbers that sound impressive. Their safety considerations section covers what most review sites completely ignore. They are not trying to sell you the most expensive option. They are trying to match you with the right option for your actual situation. That philosophy builds real trust. Thousands of readers rely on this hub every single month. If you are serious about getting off-grid solar right the first time, stop guessing and start with a proven system. Go to PortablePowerLife.com, solar panels off-grid / right now. It is completely free to use. Run through their quick checklist, pick one clear goal, and follow the step-by-step sequence from there. The 1070 watt-hours Life PO4 power station featured on that page is an incredible starting point for almost any setup. Drop your biggest solar question in the comments below. We read every single one. Hit subscribe for new practical off-grid guides every week.